Okay, here's the broken left rear height sensor on the LS 460, and this is what broke. And I just broke this bolt loose pretty easily. I had hit it with some brake free. Now it's finger coming out. So if I get this out, it should show the broken link part. There it is. You can see what broke. There is what used to go to there. That's the broken, they call it the linking part of the height sensor. So I may just replace that instead of the whole thing. And here's the little 10mm bolt held it. Okay, this is the new, I got this used from United Arab Emirates. This is the left side, the full thing, and this is what I just took off, the broken link you can see. So there, that helps to show you what broke. This middle thing, the link, I forget the term, but it has a term, a link adjuster, but it looks like this used part, the guy already replaced it with a adjustable one, because this is, I got a 2-for-1. The right side has more of the OEM link, it looks like, and this one has a twistable, adjustable one. So I may be able to just replace the link and not the entire sensor. We'll see. Here's the piece I just got off. You can see it rested completely off this joint. That's why it broke, because it should look like this one on both ends. So that's why this arm came down under there. So now I'm gonna try to just replace the link on the side. Okay, here you can see the broken, and then it's supposed to link to this arm that moves. And that's what broke here with this coming out. There's the 2 bolts, and then the sensor plugs in there for this ride height sensor. On the left, 2 bolts looks like it holds it, and then that's where the sensor goes. And then here's the other side, the broken, here's the arm that's, and then it should connect back up to this right here. Okay, this is the left used part I bought, and it was adjustable, so we tightened it up, and it should be about the length, it looks, of the OEM link. So we're gonna try that on the left side. Okay, there's the link back in the arm, and now I just gotta, you can see this clip here. I just gotta put that bolt in, and hopefully it will work. Okay, I got this connected, the clip over the top, and here's the arm. You'll see it's no longer hanging down. So we'll see if it works. But it's a tight squeeze. The ramps help to slide under, but if you didn't, I was thinking about taking the wheel off to get in there better. if you jacked it up. Cause it's right in here you gotta get. But this heated garage really helped for sliding under there because it's a low clearance. Okay, here we go. Start it up. I'm still on the ramps, so we'll see. It's off. The AFS is off. Hallelujah. This check tire pressure is just because I have my winter tires on and I didn't retrain the sensors. But the AFS is off, so that proves it worked. The AFS was the one flashing up over here on the left. This is amazing.